Welcome guys. So from today we are starting our new series of lecture. Basically what you will be seeing in this series, we will cover 12th standard mathematics in this series. So first of all we will see the syllabus part, what is decided by the CBSE. So in this video we will see the syllabus part. So let's start the video guys. Basically as you are seeing here we have a 6 unit and decided by the CBSE, and all the units have a minimum marks weightage is also. First of all, we have a relation and function, which one has 8 marks of weightage, and after that we have algebra, which has a 10 marks, and third one is calculus, where we will see that we have a marks of 35 marks weightage, and fourth one unit, which one called is vector and three-dimensional geometry, which one has 14 marks of weightage, and here we have linear programming, which has a 5 marks, and after that we have probability, which one has 8 marks of weightage. So after that, in the end, you can say that we have a overall 80 marks of written exam final paper, and we have 20 marks of internal assessment also. So here you can say you have 100 marks of final paper, where you first of all you have 80 marks of written exam, and after that internal assessment of 20 marks. So now we have see the 6 units, and now we will see the what we have the subtopics, what are the topics what we have to see. So first of all we have a unit one, which one is called relation and function. Here we will first of all we will study relation and function, and after that we will move forward to a second part of this unit, which one is called inverse trigonometric function. So now we have covered the unit first. This one was all about the unit first, which one is called relation and function. And now here we have second one unit, which one is called algebra. And algebra, here we have first part of second unit algebra is matrices. First of all, we will see the matrices, and after that, second part of this unit algebra is determinant. So this one was all about the second unit. Now we all have covered the first unit and second unit syllabus part. Now we will move forward to the third unit, which one is called calculus. Here we have first part of third unit calculus, continuity and differentiability. When we will cover the continuity and differentiability concepts of continuity and differentiability, we will move forward to the second one unit, second part of this unit, which one is called applications of derivative. We will cover this unit, and after that we will see the third part of unit 3 calculus is integrals. And when we will cover this unit, we will see the applications of integral, which one is called fourth part of third unit calculus. And after that, in the end, we have a fifth part of this unit is differential equation. So this one was all about the third unit, which is called calculus. Now we have covered the 50% part of the syllabus. It means three units has been covered. Now we will see the fourth one unit, which one is called vector and three-dimensional geometry, or you can also say that vector and 3D geometry. First part of this unit is vectors. When we will cover the vectors, it means first part of fourth unit is, then after that we will see the three-dimensional geometry, or you can also say that 3D geometry. Now we have covered with the fourth unit, and now we have a fifth unit, which one is called linear programming. Here we have one part of this unit, which one is called linear programming. We will see the introduction part and lot of things regarding this. And when you will cover the 5 unit, in the end we have the sixth one unit, which one is called probability. We will see this unit. So guys, this one was the syllabus part. This was all about the syllabus part. So this is all about this video, and see you in the next one.